myself Srimati H. Asha, Associate Professor, ADB First Grade College, Alpanagari. Today I will demonstrate the experiment op-amp as difference amplifier. That is, if we give two or more inputs to the op-amp, the output of the op-amp will be the difference of the inputs. The circuit diagram is as shown in the diagram. So this is the circuit diagram. The precision is here, and the theoretical formula for the op-amp as difference amplifier is given here. The output will be the difference in the inputs V2 minus V1. So only two inputs we have taken here, so the output is V2 minus V1. This we are going to show in this experiment. Let me make a electrical connections. So from pin 2, resistance 1 kilo ohm is given. From pin 3, resistance 1 kilo ohm is given, and this is going to V2 here. And again from the pin 3, one more resistance is given, that should be grounded. From pin 2, feedback resistance is connected to pin number 6. The another end of resistance R1 should be given to V1, and the resistance R2 another end should be given to V2. The negatives of V1 and V2 should be grounded here, and the plus 5 volts should be given to pin number 7, and minus 5 volts should be given to pin number 4, and this terminal should be grounded. So now we have to measure V1 at the point R1, that is here, as I have explained in my previous video. Even you can measure V1 at the point here, and it is coming around 0.16, and V2 is around 0.54. Remember, in this experiment V2 has to be kept more than the V1 here. So I have kept V1 as 0.18 and V2 as 0.54. It is more than the V1. Then we have to take a difference of these two. Now I'll tabulate the readings. I'll take the readings one more time here. So this is V1, we are getting it as 0.21, and V2 we are getting it as 0.55. Okay, and output we have to measure at the pin number 6. So this is coming around 0.29. So let me subtract these two readings, that is 0.55 minus 0.21. So this will be around 0.34. We are getting it as an theoretical value. These two must be nearer to each other. Repeat the experiment for different set of V1 and V2 and tabulate the readings. Again, what you have to remember in this is, you can keep this V1 as it is, what you have kept for the first trial. Keep on vary the V2 in steps of 0.1 volts by varying this knob. Then you can perform the experiment. Tabulate the readings in the tabular column and write the result as the op-amp as difference amplifier is studied. Thank you.